Welcome to an unboxing of these gaming headsets. These are SENZER SG500s, Dolby Surround Pro headphones with detachable foams. These are good for PC, for PSP, Xbox, like any gaming console, you name it, it is compatible with all of them. It has a foldable design, and I really like the box. The box has a premium feel to it, so I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. I actually waited to, I was really eager to open it, but I was waiting so that we can unbox it together, and then I get to test them out. So these are the headphones. They're in this bubble wrap. So this is to connect your computer with the manual here, and these are headphones. I've been struggling with my headphones. I've been using the Bluetooth headphones for quite a while, but these ones I was really looking forward to using them. So I like the form factor. They're really neatly foldable, and it's also easy to unfold them. There's a controlling panel, as you can see here, and the cable is, wow, it's extremely long cable, as you can see here. It's really good. So these are really good to your, when you touch them, they're really smooth. There's also a control to control the volume here, and you also have the mic here, which is good, and they have the L and R here, which tells you left and right. So let's take a look much closer. I just flipped the camera just to show you how well they cover your ears, and they're really soft, which I like. I also want to show you that the pads are really detachable, so you can detach them easily, and they are glued back in place easily. I like the logo here, and the padding is really soft. I'm really impressed with the build and quality and how light they are. So these are built for like hours and hours of gaming, or for let's say Zoom conference, or just anything. Or if you're teaching foreign languages, like I do, you can also use them for your long hour classes, and the mic is also a plus. So I'm really impressed with the quality, and I highly recommend getting this gaming headset. Thank you for watching.